Hey guys, it's Ivy and it's time for Dollar General's 5 off 25 Saturday scenarios for 12.6. Now we're going to start with one Persil at $9.95, one Febreze Small Space at $3.50, one Tide at $9.95, and then one Febreze Warmer at $3.50. Okay, now. Hey, we're gonna start scanning. The small space is $3.50. It's a $2 coupon. It's not expiring, guys. So if you want to, you can hold off. The Febreze Warmer is $3.50. We have a $3.50 coupon expiring Saturday. Now let's scan the Persil. The Persil is $9.95, and we have a couple of coupons, but they are expiring Saturday. We're only interested in the $2 manufacturer coupon. That's the only one we're interested in, okay? Unless you need to use that $3 because you do not have that coupon. Then we're going to scan the Tide. Now look at Tide closely. It's $9.95. We have two coupons that we're going to stack. We have a $1.50 coupon that's a manufacturer and a $2 coupon that's Dollar General. Those two stack. Don't forget, guys, for your 5 off 25, clip it, you need to add that deal. That is your largest coupon that you need to use, okay? Now, should have 4 products. Let's do the math, guys. Make sure you pay attention to what you're doing. $9.95 for the Tide. Then we're going to go $9.95 for the Persil. $3.50 for the plug. And then $3.50 for the small space. It's going to take you to $26.90. Now, what do we know in here? We need to get this up to $27. So add anything in there for a dime, 25 cents, 10 cents, whatever you can find. Get you to $27, guys, okay? 27 bucks. First thing's going to come off is that $2 Dollar General manufacturer coupon. Then your 5 off 25. Then your $1.50 off of that Tide manufacturer. Then we're going to do our $2 off the Persil. The plug is $3.50. And then the small space is $2. You're going to pay $11 out of pocket for these giant Tides and Persil, guys. That's what I'm concerned with. Divided by 4, $2.75. Now, if you can pay $2.75 for a large Tide and a large Persil, that's an awesome deal, period. Now, let's get to this next deal. You're going to pick up 4 Scott tissues at $5 each. One Febreze spray, one Febreze warmer, and one Crest toothpaste at $3. We're going to scan each one of these, guys, because we need to do some strategic math also for this one. Now, we're going to scan the Scott. We see that it is $5. They have a spend 15, get 3 off, and then 2 for $8. Now, because that's the instant offer, we need to add those dollars back onto there to get those back up to $10, $5 each, right? Then the $3 on the Crest. The only coupon we're looking at right now is the $2 coupon. We'll get back to that other one. Then the $3.50 for the warmer, and it's $3.50 off. So let's get the ad. $3.50 for the warmer, $2 coupon. That's for the spray, I'm sorry. 5 off 25, guys. Do not forget to clip that. Now, though, remember, that's $20. You're going to put it in regular price. Then you're going to put $3 in for the toothpaste, $3.50 in for the warmer, and $3.50 in for the spray. It's going to take you to $30. We have already covered that price, okay? So let's take off this. You're going to take off $4. That's going to cover each one of those Scott tissues. Then you're going to take the 5 off 25. You're going to take your 2 off of your Crest, $3.50 off the warmer, and $2 off the spray. Leaves you at $13.50. Guys, $13.50 for all of this right here. Divided by 7, you're going to pay $1.92. My takeaway on this one is the $1.92 for the Scott tissue. Guys, alone, that's great. Now, the next deal, pick up 2 Scott tissues if you want to get more toothpaste. 4 Crest toothpastes. Remember, I told you we would visit this again. So $3. We're going to use the $2 coupon off one. And then we have a save $5 when you buy 3. Don't forget, we'll put the 2 Scott tissues in at $10. Then each one of the toothpastes are $3 each. Then we're going to put in the warmer, at $3.50. Then we're going to put in the spray at $3.50. Takes us to $29. Take your $2 off the Scott. Okay? Takes you to $27. Then you're going to take your 5 off 25. Your $3.50 off the warmer. Your 2 off the spray. Your 2 off 1 Crest. Remember that. Then you're going to take that 5 off the 3. $9.50, guys, for those 2 things of Scott tissue, 4 toothpastes, okay? All of those. You're going to divide it by 8, and you're going to pay $1.18. So I just gave you 2 deals you could do with Scott tissue, and you're still going to pay under $2 for them. So that's an awesome deal. Now let's look at this Colgate deal, guys. Colgate is really doing us a good one this year. You're going to pick up this Colgate Vibrate toothbrush, and then 2 of the Colgates at $8 each, and then those other 2. These Colgates are at $3.25. It's a 4 off 2 coupon. Make sure you tap the scissors, make it into a check mark. That means you claimed it. All right, now we're going to scan this toothbrush right here. It is a vibrating toothbrush, guys, and every year they give us money off of mechanical. It's $6.35, and the coupon is for $4 off. Do not miss that coupon, guys. I love when they do that deal. Then we have the $8.25 for the Colgate Optic White, and they gave us an $8 off 2 coupon. It expires tomorrow, so if you want to use that coupon, use it. So we're going to put in $3.25 twice for the Colgate, and then it's $8.25 for each of the other Colgate toothpastes, and then $6.35 for the brush. $29.35. Take your 5 off 25. Take your 4 off the 2 Colgate, your 4 off the 1 vibrating toothbrush, and 8 off the toothpaste. $8.35. That's how much 1 toothpaste costs, or $1.67, guys. My takeaway is this vibrating toothpaste brush, I'm going to pay $1.67 for. Now, some substitutes you could do: the 2 for $5 Dawn. We're going to scan it. It doesn't have a high value coupon, but since they are giving it to us 2 for $5, I believe we have a 50-cent coupon. Always tap that scissor. There it is, 2 for $5. So let's do the math right quick. Then you're going to take away 50 cents. At $4.50 divided by 2, you're going to pay $2.25. I think that's a good deal. Then Dawn Platinum, they gave us a $1 coupon. Now, this is what I want you to pay attention to. Remember, we was looking at that Persil coupon. We're going to scan the Purex, the green one. Look at that. See that $2? Now, look closely. See the Persil and the Purex share that coupon? Make sure you take your pick. Now, let's look at the Gain at $9.95, guys. And guess what? The Tide and the Gain share that Dollar General coupon. So just make sure you pay attention to what you're looking at, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.